right, everyone. Now that we know why there's a need for a visionary leader. Now that we know what a vision is. Now, what is a mission? That's all part of being a visionary leader. You get the vision, but you also need a mission. Now, a mission, the definition is that while a vision describes the destination, mission defines the journey. It answers the question, what are we doing now to get there? So let me put it for you very simple. A vision is that future plan that God has for your church, and the mission is here's the map of getting there. When you get in your vehicle and you use your GPS, it always will ask you where's your destination. You're going to put in your destination. That's the vision. It's going to find out where you are now. It's going to figure out where you're currently at, and then it's going to give you a route, a roadmap to get to your destination. And that's what the mission is. The mission is the what are we doing now? How are we going to get there? And that's why it's so crucial that every church, every ministry is always going to need a vision as well as a mission. A mission statement expresses how your church fulfill its vision through specific actions and ministries. So whatever you do, this is your system. Your mission is your system. So you get your vision. So how are you going to fulfill God's vision for your church? Now you need to boil it down to systems. You need to put systems in place, processes in place, and those processes and systems is your mission, how you are going to get to God's vision. Let me explain to you the difference between vision and mission. A vision is future focused. A mission is how we're going to do it. It's presently focused. The vision is always the where. The mission is how. The vision inspires faith. The mission guides my action. The vision is motivational and the mission is operational. So the vision motivates you to go somewhere, but the mission says, this is how we're going to operate it. This is how we are going to do it. And that's why a mission statement is always important. It's always important to put down the vision of your church, but it's always crucially important to, with your vision, make sure your mission statement is out there. Telling people this is how we are going to get there. It must be simple, easy to remember and repeat. It must be tied to God's vision. It must be action oriented because the mission tells you how you're going to get to the vision. And it must be biblical. Let me give you an example. To reach our community with the love of Jesus, disciple believers to maturity and to equip them to serve. You see, I'm going to read it again. To reach our community with the love of Jesus, disciple believers to maturity and equip them to serve. What do you see? There's reach, practical. There's discipleship, practical. And there's equipment, practical. And there's serving, practical. See, all of this is practical steps aimed at reaching the final destination, which is the vision. Warren Bennett said, and let me close this mission session with you. Warren Bennett said, leadership is the capacity to translate a vision into reality. And that's where the mission is so crucial. Only place where a vision can become reality is in a mission. God bless you.